Let's talk about guest posting. Guest posting is one of the most popular forms of link building, and people have been using guest posts for link building purposes since link building first started. However, as time has gone on and Google algorithms have got more advanced, guest posting is not quite as simple as throwing on any old piece of content on any old website. Today, guest posting, to be done properly, can be utilized as part of a traditional link building campaign. It can be utilized alongside digital PR techniques, and it can be white hat. There's a few things you need to note when it comes to guest posting to be able to do it properly and actually get the results that you want. First of all, when guest posting, always do manual outreach. Never use a list from a freelancer that anybody else can get their hands on. The best possible results from guest posting come by building relationships with webmasters and actually reaching out to the websites that you want to be published on. Use tools like Ahrefs, SEMrush to find out metrics of different websites and look through their backlink profile, look through who they're getting their links from, spend some time on the website itself assessing the quality of the content that's on there, and then reach out to those websites. Building your own relationships, building your own list essentially is always going to be much better in terms of you can target websites that are going to actually move the needle for the site that you're working on. It's not just going to be any old website that anyone can get a link from. It's going to be a site that you have personally spent your time assessing and ensuring that this is a website that you actually want to get links from. So should guest posting still be part of your link building strategy? In my opinion, most definitely. One of the main reasons why is that although I personally like to use digital PR techniques to build most of the links I do for websites, a lot of those techniques don't offer the flexibility that you can have with guest posting. So especially if you're using a reactive PR technique and you're using platforms like Help a Reporter Out, you can only actually build links to the homepage of a website through those techniques. However, if you're doing guest posting correctly, you can build links to targeted pages that you want to drive traffic to and obviously boost the metrics of that particular page. Guest posting still works as a link building technique, but it should be done as part of a wider strategy. So not only using guest posts, but also using things like niche edits and digital PR techniques like press releases and reactive PR. By doing that, you'll be able to get a fully comprehensive link building strategy together that offers diversity in your backlink profile and allows you to target both specific pages as well as build the authority of the website and the people behind it.